Okay, first thing that I'm gonna be using is my Pro Balm to actually minimizing my pores. So yeah, it's by Benefit. I'm gonna go ahead and use that on my face. It'll make it all smoother and everything. And then the second thing that I'm gonna use, it's gonna be by Smashbox. It's Photo Finish. It's a primer. It's oil free. So it's really nice. As you can see, it's almost done, so you can tell that I use it a lot when I'm putting makeup on. Okay, I usually use those two foundation, not together. I would either use this one or that one since I got really dark during the summer. So what I'm gonna be using is I'm gonna use the Fit Me by Maybelline New York. And then I'm gonna use this one that I recently purchased. You can see it's almost done. I use it a lot. So I recently purchased that because I got darker during the summer. So I'm gonna mix those two together to get the perfect shade, just so I don't look ashy. Actually, I have my beauty blender here, but I've always wanted to try one of those. So I'm gonna try to blend it out with this one and see what it gives me. If it doesn't work well, I'm just gonna jump to my beauty blender. I love beauty blender. You can't go wrong with them. Well, now I can open it. Well, like I said, it's not bad. It definitely takes more work to blend your foundation with this, but I mean, the fact that you save foundation by using this, I think it's a win. It's gonna be this LA Pro Girl concealer. I'm gonna use a pencil by Dior to fill in my eyebrows. Okay guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and bake my face by using my Sacha powder. But this is the brush I'm gonna use to contour my face. It's by ELF. It's called Contour Brush. So I'm gonna use my palette, my Anastasia Beauty Contour Kit. It looks like this. That's what I'm gonna use. And I'm gonna take the darkest shade in there, which is this one here, to contour my face. Well, for some foundation might get in your hair, you can clean that after, so it's nothing to worry about. And now I'm gonna use my powder brush to just go ahead and dust all excess powder out. because I don't like to look too fake, if you know what I mean. I like my foundation kind of like clean, or my face to be very like looking natural, clean and fresh. Yeah, any excess powder that I have, I bring it down to my neck, because you don't want to forget your neck when you're doing your makeup. You don't want your neck and your face to not match. This is the ugliest thing, when you have a line over here where your face is separated to your neck. Okay guys, next thing that I'm going to be using is going to be this palette right here. I found it in Amazon. I'll try to find the price maybe throughout when I'm, you know, doing it. Oh, it's upside down actually. Over here, this is the palette that I'm going to be using on my face. It's called Pop Fill eyeshadow palette. So it has some pretty cool colors in there. So I'm gonna see what I can create with those colors that I found in there. Hopefully they're pigmented enough to give me the look that I want to have right now. Okay, and this is the second palette. So they actually separated. I didn't even know it was like that when I bought it, so they separated. So this is this, and there's the next one in there. And bam, that's the other one. Okay, I'm gonna use more of a colorful face. I want to try to use more colors, so let's get into it. I'm gonna spray my brush with my MAC primer, so that way I can get some more pigmentation, because I'm not getting any pigmentation from this foundation. I mean, not foundation, what am I saying? From this eyeshadow at all. Better. And I'm now gonna take the yellow one over here and kind of place it right here. Okay, this is trash. I wouldn't recommend anybody to buy this eyeshadow because it is trash. Sorry, but it's not working. I'm trying so hard right now. Oh my god. There's nothing in there, and no, we're not doing this, okay? We're not doing this. Alright, so what I decided to do instead, I'm gonna, since I already have orange here, I don't want to take it out and mess up the whole thing. So I'm gonna try to put the same orange in the other side, and then after that walk around it with other colors on it from other palettes. So yeah. So I'm gonna use this color right here to put an outer corner of my eyes, just so I can make it more defined. Okay, the mascara that I'm gonna use today is by Benefit, and it's called Their Will. So, Their Will. When I'm not using lashes, I usually just pile up my my mascara just so it gives me more volume. But since I'm gonna use lashes, I'm not gonna put a lot of mascara on. Okay, the lashes I'm gonna be using today is this one. I bought it online. It's by Ardell. So I think I'm gonna use the very first one, just because I want to look dramatic. I'm extra like that, so don't mind. Okay, and this is the glue that I'm gonna be using. I'm using this one because it's waterproof. So just to be secure. Well, if you don't know which lash glue, it's called Lash XO. So just so if you wanna get it for yourself, it's waterproof. Secure that thing. I really like this lash glue because it's easy to dry. You don't have to wait forever. When you have a big lash, it's so easy to wipe. Anything you do, it's like you wipe. I'm gonna use the same Dior pencil that I use on my eyebrows to put on my waterline. Alright, the palette that I'm going to be using for my blush is this one. Okay, I keep putting this stuff upside down, I don't know why. But yeah. I'm actually gonna mix those two together. Okay guys, I finally found the winner and I'm gonna go with this one. This one is by MAC and the name is Duronet. Amplified Duronet. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but I didn't make this lipstick, okay? Alright guys, unfortunately this is the end of this video. I took a good time to prep this face for you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it just the way I enjoyed making it for you. So I can't thank you enough for watching this video, but don't forget to subscribe, okay? I'll catch you in my next video. Stay true to yourself, be yourself, and love yourself. At the end of the day, you're the best thing that happened to you. All right, I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.